Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 11th, 2023. Hope everybody's having a great evening out there. Hope everybody had a great Saturday out there, and hope you continue to have a great one as well. In the southeastern portion of the United States, we're getting a good little bit of rain, so it's been a pretty good day so far. Most of the day been dry in my location till about 3 p.m. this afternoon, and the rain started picking up, and it's pouring pretty good at this time. And it's supposed to continue through the night and in the morning as well. Okay, if you're a new viewer, have not subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing to my channel today. Um, if you like my weather content and you like anything to do with the weather, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you. I'm trying to get my numbers to climbing. I done met one of my goals. You can watch that earlier video what I posted. That will tell you about my goal in the coming future. Okay, like I said, if you're a new viewer, like I said, hit that thing, hit that subscribe button, like these videos, and also share these videos and get them out to as many people as possible. Alrighty, and well, let's get the show on the road here. Excuse me. In today's video, we're going to talk about the weather charts for your Sunday and Monday. We're going to take a look at the National Weather Service radar here in Columbia, South Carolina. We're going to take a look at the watches and warning map across the lower 48. We're going to look at the CIP analog based on severe weather probability for certain location later next week. And also we're going to take a look at the snowfall total over the next 16 days. Alrighty. Well, let's dive on into the forecast now. We're going to be looking at the weather chart. This is for your Sunday, February 12th. Okay. As we start off here in the northeastern portion of the United States, we got a little bit of snow over southeast Canada, just east of Montreal. Here's here's the weather maker that's producing the rains, mixed precipitation, thunderstorms, showers, extending all the way from Boston, Massachusetts, all the way down to east of Miami, Florida, and also back over into central Alabama. We have thunderstorms in the slash green area, rain showers in the green. We have mixed precipitation, like I said, around the Atlanta metro area through eastern Tennessee, southeast Kentucky, all the way back up into eastern PA. A little bit of freezing rain, sleet mixture maybe in the mix as well tomorrow. Rest of the country looks pretty quiet. A little system over here coming in off the Southern California coast will produce some mixed precipitation over Arizona and New Mexico. A little bit of snow mixed in there as well. On the southern side of the system and the western side there, you see rain showers there. Alright, we got mixed precipitation over Vancouver, Canada, extending back down into northern Oregon. Rain showers along the immediate coastal areas. Okay, here's a look at your Monday forecast for February the 13th. Here's that system that brought all the mixed precipitation, rain showers and stuff over the southeastern United States, has moved to the northeast. You guys in the northeastern portion of the United States will see mixed precipitation from New York all the way into a portion of Maine, New Hampshire. We got rain extending from Boston all the way back down to Washington, D.C. This system will continue to race off to the northeast, and this precipitation should end by Tuesday. We got dry weather across the southeast before our next weather maker developing back to the west from in the southeast. So take advantage of these next 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, because the weather is going to get unsettled again starting on Wednesday and going into Saturday. Alright, got another trailing cold front extending from Canada all the way back down to Texas. This is that little system that you've seen on the weather map for Sunday. It's getting a little bit better organized. It will get better organized over the central portion of the United States, extending from Nebraska all the way into Texas. We have thunderstorms in Texas. Cannot rule out a few severe thunderstorms possible where these thunderstorms would take place. Also, mixed precipitation over Colorado, back in Arizona, New Mexico. Rain showers in southeast California, southwest Arizona. more mixed precipitation over the northwestern portion of the United States. We have a little bit of heavy snow possible. The western edge of from Seattle, Washington, all the way back into Northern California. And the rest of the country looks pretty quiet in between. Okay, here we go. Let's take a dive right into the radar view here. I can't talk this afternoon. Sorry about that, guys. But anyway, let's take a look at our South Carolina radar here. We have the orange yellow precipitation is the heaviest precipitation. The green is the moderate regular precipitation, and the lighter green is lighter precipitation. I have had reports of sleet falling up and around the Greenville, Spartanburg area, Anderson area, also Asheville, North Carolina, over toward Hickory. Some areas up towards Charlotte has been reporting of mixed rain and sleet in your area as well. Like I said, in any areas west of I-77, all in northwest of I-20, northwest of Columbia, around Newberry, Greenwood, and on point on into the Charlotte area, Lancaster, on into the North Carolina area, y'all had the best chance of seeing any kind of mixed precipitation. That's what I've been saying all along. If you're east of I-77 and around the I-20 and southeast of I-20, you should be just a cold rain. There could be a few embedded thunderstorms tonight also for areas south of Columbia. So wouldn't be surprised to hear a rumble of thunder also in the forecast tonight in anywhere. I'm going to say anywhere in South Carolina could be a rumble of thunder, but mainly south of Columbia. Tomorrow there could be a few little pockets of a little bit of sleet, maybe a snow flurry too in the central middle of South Carolina, but mainly west of I-77, northwest of I-20, from Augusta, Georgia to Columbia, South Carolina, and points northwest into Newberry, maybe up in the portion of Fairfield, Chester, York, and moving on off to the northwest. That may be where your best chance of a little bit of mixed precipitation there. Alright, now let's roll on into the watches and warning map across the lower 48. Pretty quiet across much of the winter storm over the North Carolina mountain, winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings along in that vicinity. We have a few marine warnings along the coastal areas. We have wind advisories over Georgia, all the way back into the panhandle of Florida, also southeast Mississippi, northwest Alabama. Also, we have little pockets of winter storm warnings over along the northwest coast, and also a few little pockets of winter storm watches over New Mexico, and a little bit of a winter wind advisory for northwest California. All right, now let's get the show on the road about our severe weather prospect. The probability of severe weather. This is your day 4 outlook. This is where the probability of severe weather. The 15% is the highest chance. Yellow is the 10% chance. Anywhere in these areas here has a chance of possibly some severe weather in your location. Alright, now day 5. Here's a look at day 5. 15% in the oranger looking color. Lighter yellow, 10%. This is where the probability of some severe weather in your region as well. Alright, now let's take a look at day 6. Here's day 6. As you can see, a bigger area. Even a little bit of a 45% even starting to show up here. That's a moderate risk of maybe some severe weather. Portion of Alabama. I do expect the possibility of a major severe weather outbreak coming up starting Wednesday and going all the way into maybe Friday across the Carolinas. I will keep an eye on this here and see what happens. But right now, day 7 and 8 don't have anything. But I will continue to watch this here and see what happens. Let's take a look at tornado probability. Right now, I don't show no tornadoes, but I would not be surprised. Let's see the hail. We have 5% in the little green areas, and the wind probability. There it is. 10 to 15% chance. Well, 5 10, and then 15%. Alright, and finally we're going to wrap it up with the snowfall total for the lower 48 over the next 16 days. Here's that little warm winter storm that's going to produce snow from the northern Georgia through portion of upstate South Carolina, all the way into the mountains of western North Carolina, all the way up into Virginia. This here is another system may affect y'all guys up there later, but like I say, you could cut a lot of these snow totals in half, because I don't believe y'all will get that much. Same thing over in the western portion of the United States, same thing there. You could cut your snow totals in half by this weather model here. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my weather forecast. Like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, get them numbers climbing, and also like these videos, share them, and get these things out to as many people as possible. I hope everybody enjoys my weather content. If you have any weather questions, drop them in the comments below. Love to have it. Alright, we'll catch you back in the next one.